Hello everybody, today I've been given the pleasure to unbox the Tronsmart Miritune S1000 portable outdoor speaker. I'm going to be showing you the unboxing, of course. I'm going to be talking about the features, and I'm also going to show you how to connect this and hear everything. In the back right here, you can already tell this is beautiful packaging. You have a little handle here just if you want to take it around. We're even told that it has an impressively rich audio. 20 hours of pure playtime. It's waterproof. It has an app. Let's get into the opening and I can show you guys what's going to be inside. First thing that I am given is a little manual. I'll put this to the side and unbox it in 1 second. And of course, the speaker itself. I'll be placing this to the side here with a little film on the side just to keep everything protected. Here's the box. There's nothing else really in it. But first, let us talk about the manual. You open this up, we are given, of course, a user manual. This tells you the ins and outs of the speaker. It tells you how to get the app working. It tells you about the features, which I will be doing all of that for you here in this video. I'll bring this to the side. Alright, now on to the second part. We are also given two things. We are given the app. This shows you how to connect to the app. They give you a little QR code for you to scan right there. We are also given a warranty card, just in case anything does happen to the speaker here, you're able to get a refund. And then finally, we are given a USB charging cable, really fast, 15 watts, connected to here, and everything will charge perfectly. And then finally, the Tronsmart S100 outdoor speaker right here. Comes in a really nice sleek matte black color. We're also given a little handle here. Seems that it might be magnet, it looks like. Really nice film. Everything feels nice, everything feels sleek. It feels highly durable. This is just if you want to take it outside with you as well. I like the material. It could be used around the pool. Also, if you take this right out here, this will show you all its little cables. You have the USB-C, of course, which is where the charger is going to be connected. You're also given a USB, an aux cable, and also a TF cable. And in the front here, you are given all 6 different dials. This shows you that everything is on or off. A power button, a Bluetooth button, also a volume down, a volume up, and a pause and unpause button. Even a really nice cool feature here. You can see that right here, this is all plastic, so everything could move depending on the base of the song you choose. You can see it'll move. I find that very cool, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm going to be going now into the features, and then I will show you how to connect it. Alright everybody, I have switched the camera and I have put you right upon the device. First thing we are going to do is download either on your App Store or Google Store the Tronsmart app. I also want to urge you before everything to make sure to connect your Bluetooth just to make sure everything goes smoothly. Here we have the Tronsmart S100. You're going to click on that and you're going to click on the big gray button right here. Make sure to hold it and you're going to get a little dial, as you can heard. And then finally hold the Bluetooth button, which will give a little prompt right here stating that we should go to the settings. Simply go to the settings right here and give it a little, and you're going to see instantly actually the Tronsmart S100 has connected. Click on it. It has connected. You even heard the little dial on here. Switch back to the Tronsmart app, and here you have everything in front of you. Everything you want to control, everything you need to do, all in the grasp of your hand. Everything is hands-free the instant you connect the device, which is phenomenal. Anyways, I will be playing a song momentarily. Alright everybody, I have talked about a full list of features by now. Right here, there's the retractable handle, which could be used anywhere. You are also given the high, bass, and trebles with the also LED lights, which I will be showing you momentarily. Also, it is highly durable and sleek material, which I really love about it. And also, it is waterproof, going up to 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. And not only that, it is completely customizable in the app. as shown right here in front of you. You have classical, you have every type you could want. There's default, there is sound pulse, everything here, even a customizable type. There's also the Bluetooth or aux, you could pick whatever or however you want to connect this. And also a stereo pairing mode, and then finally an LED mode, as you can see right here, which only works with both when the music is playing and when the music is not playing. Now I did get some low beat music here just to give you a little idea and feel of how everything is going to sound when this is in your hands. I will now not be talking, just so you guys could hear this and see how everything feels. As you can see, you could play this anywhere. You can even see the little bass and treble working right there with the LED. Everything looks beautiful about it. Everything looks neat about it right here. Very durable. I'm going to close the music now. If we go back to the app, like I have showed you previously, you have access to everything here. It shows you the battery. It shows you that you could higher the volume and lower the volume. Everything is in the palm of your hands, which is what I love about this. That's why I will highly recommend it to every single viewer watching. And truly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys for watching this till the end, and I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. It's been a pleasure.